A very good morning, Montfortians. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Students, today we will do work on grammar book. Okay? So everyone take out your grammar book. Grammar way. Open page number 29. Chapter 9. See here. Chapter 9 on page number 29. The name of the chapter is MR. Is MR. Okay? So everyone write today's date, day and grade task on the top. Today's date is 29th October 2021, day Friday, and other side write grade task. Okay students? So let's start. Firstly we will talk about is. Students, we use is with the singular naming words. We have already done naming words. You all know that the name of a person, place, thing is called naming words. Okay? So we use is with the singular. Singular means single, means one. Okay? We use is with the singular naming words, means one name. And the pronouns he, she, it. We already done this also. Pronouns also we have already done. He, she, it. So we use is with the singular naming words and the pronouns he, she, it. Okay? See here, like the giraffe is a tall animal. Here we are talking about giraffe. Giraffe is one. Here we are talking about one giraffe. Okay? The giraffe is a. See, a is here. So it means we are talking about one. The giraffe is a tall animal. Okay? Giraffe is a naming word. Giraffe is the name of an animal. So next is he is helpful. He is a pronoun. He is helpful. She is a painter. For girls we use she. So she is a painter. She is also a pronoun. It is a dog. For animals we use it. It is also a pronoun. So it is a dog. Okay? Again listen, is we will use with singular naming words and the pronouns he, she, it. Okay? And the second is am. Second is am. Students, we use am only with I. We use am only with I. Okay? Like whenever I will talk about myself, I am a teacher. Okay? See here. We use am with I. Like read this sentence. I am a student. I am fond of dancing. I am always happy. I am going camping today. It means we use am only with I. Okay? Is we will use with singular naming words and the pronouns he, she, it. And am we use with I. And now are. Students, are we use with plural naming words and the pronouns we, you, they. We use are with the plural naming words and the pronouns we, you, they. What are plural? Plural means more than one. See, in my hand one marker is there. It means it is singular. But now I am having two markers. Now they are plural. If more than one, we call them plural. Singular means one. And if more than one, then we call them plural. It can be 2 or 3 or 5, 6, any numbers. Okay? Fine? So we use are with plural naming words and the pronouns we, you, they. So now see here. These cars are new. These cars are new. We are talking about these two cars. Okay? We are talking about these two cars. So here we will use are. These cars are new. Next is we are cousins. We are cousins. Student, here I am talking about myself but along with others. Okay? So we use are with them. We are cousins. Here now, I am not alone here. I am talking about myself, but along with my cousins. Okay, we are cousins. We are more than one. Now you are helpful. With you also we will use are. They are teachers. They are teachers. We are talking about more than one teachers. They are teachers. Okay. Now we will do exercise. Then it will be more clear for you. See. Exercise A. Tick the correct sentences and cross out the incorrect ones. Students, here some sentences are written. We have to tick the correct sentence and cross out the incorrect sentence. Okay. So, everyone look at the board. Read with me. We am in class 2. We am in class 2. Am is written here. So, is this right? I told you that we use am only with I. But here, we am in class 2 is written. Is this right? No. This is wrong. So, we will cross it. Okay. Because we use am only with I. Next is those are bees. Those are bees. Students, see here in your books. We are talking about bees. See. Bees are there. So many bees are there. 3, 4 bees are there. It means more than one. So, this is correct. Those are bees. We use are with more than one. Okay. We use are with plural. So, those are bees. So, this is correct sentence. We are talking about more than one bee. Okay. Now, I am excited. And here am is written with I. So, is this correct? Yes. I am excited. This is correct sentence. Here am used with I. Okay. These are my house. These are my house. Students, we use this for singular. We use this for singular. See here in your book also. How many houses are there? One only. We are talking about one house. These are my house. For singular, for one we use is. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So we will put cross here. Okay. These are my house. This is wrong. So because this is my house is correct. Okay. Now Casper is my pet fish. We are talking about one fish. See here, one fish is there only. Casper is my pet fish. This is correct. Because here we are talking about one fish. Okay. So put tick here. Next, the rose are a pretty flower. Sorry. The rose are a pretty flower. Students, see. How many flowers are there? Only one. Only one flower is there. Okay. Only one rose is there. So, the rose are a pretty flower. This is wrong. Why? Because only one flower is there. And with one we use is. So, this is wrong. Put cross here. Okay. Now, exercise B. See here. Tick the correct column to complete each sentence. Tick the correct column to complete each sentence. Students, see here. Some sentences are here. We have to tick the correct sentence. Tick the correct column. Okay. Is, am, are written here. See here. Look at the board. Is, am, are written here. We have to read and tick the correct column. So, let's start. First is the children dash inside the park. The children is written here. So, it means we are talking about more than one. Children means more than one. Okay. If we will talk about one, we call it child. But here we are talking about more than one. That's why children is written here. Okay. So, we will tick are here. The children are inside the park. Okay. Next, this dash my school bag. We are talking about one bag. We are talking about one school bag. this is written here. This we will use for one only. Okay, this is my school bag. So here we will tick is. Okay, this is my school bag. Fine. Now next, I dash in the school football team. I is written here. So with I we use am. So here we tick am. Okay, here we will tick am. And third, next, fourth, you dash good at playing badminton. You dash good at playing badminton. Students, I told that with you we use are only. Okay, whether it is singular or plural, with you we will use are only. You are good at playing badminton. So in fourth we will tick are. Fine. Now fifth, this dash my bicycle. This again is written here. So this we use for one only. So this is my bicycle. Okay. So in fifth we will tick this. Now, I dash scared of frogs. I is written here. So with I we use am. Next, Sujata and Suraj. Here we are talking about two person. Okay, Sujata and Suraj, two are there. Dash classmates. Sujata and Suraj are classmates. We are talking about two. So here we will tick are. And next, I dash fond of listening of music. Again I is here. So with I we will use am. So tick am here. Fine. Again read with me. The children are inside the park. Tick under are. This is my school bag. I am in the school football team. You are good at playing football. Sorry, you are good at playing badminton. This is my bicycle. I am scared of frogs. Sujata and Suraj are classmates. I am fond of listening of music. Okay. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Okay. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Look at the board everyone. First, these bottles dash empty. These bottles dash empty. See here. How many bottles are there? 4 bottles. We are talking about 4 bottles. Okay. So, more than one. So, we will use here. We will write here are. These bottles are A-R-E-R empty. These bottles are empty. Okay. Second, I dash 7 years old. I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. With I we use am. Okay. Next, Meeta and Neetu dash my friends. We are talking about 2 girls. 2 girls are there. Meeta and Neetu. Okay. So with 2 we will use are. More than one are there, na? Meeta and Neetu. Meeta and Neetu. 2 girls are there. So we use are here. Meeta and Neetu are my friends. Next, there dash a cat in the house. There dash a cat. How many cats? A means 1. There dash a cat. We are talking about 1 cat. So we will use here is. We will write is here. There is a cat in the house. We will write here is. Okay, students? And rest 4 you will do yourself. See, total 8 sentences are there. Wait. 8 are there, rest 4 you will do yourself. Okay, if you face any problem then you can call me. Fine. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day, students.